I'm so excited. A precious, perfect beach house, only 4 blocks from this spot here. I can't wait to show it to you. This West End home is perfect for rentals, and it's as cute on the outside as it is on the inside. With plenty of seating. Ample space in the kitchen. This main ensuite has plenty of space, and I love the access to the backyard. It's even got a new outdoor shower. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you to get the price and all the other details. All right, bye for now.